Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to use lasso tool in image selections. Okay, you can see here, this is my new 2026 gold image. And if I use this magic wand tool, you can see here magic wand tool. If I click here, it is selection this portion also. So how to select this portion with lasso tool? Okay, we are going to the lasso tool and click here, go to lasso tool and just try this 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, like this. You can make points and they can come here and select this portion. Then you can adjust the positions like this. Okay, then delete. So that portion is deleted. And that's guys, you can use escape key for uh, from this lasso tool out. In this way you can simply cut that, and second time you can use this tool and selecting other parts, then delete. So that's very easy. So in this way you can simply edit your normal things, not professional editing. I'm saying that normal things you can do with this tool. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.